Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Putri Cynthia from 12 Science 4. Now I want to tell you how to make avocado shake. Well, before that, you must prepare ingredients and tools. Here there water, condensed milk, vanilla or chocolate, I use chocolate, sugar, ice cube, and avocado. And you only need 1 spoon and drinking bottle. Okay, first put as many avocado as you want in drinking bottle. Chop. And then add the sugar according to taste. And add the condensed milk. And add the ice cube until bottle is full. Like this. Okay, I think it's enough. And add the water to make it easier to shake. And close the bottle and shake the bottle. Shake. It's done. Finally, you can enjoy it with the straw on spoon like this. Good luck. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.